Do not walk with your legs. Instead, you should use your hands. Random facts that will save your life. The last one saved me once. If you don't have the right size battery and you desperately need one, you can use a smaller battery and put aluminum foil in that extra space, and it will still work. If you walk back to your car and you see a dollar bill or something on it, don't touch it. This is a common method for kidnapping where while you're going to grab it, they'll come up and grab you from behind. If trapped on an island and the only source of liquid is from coconuts, brown coconuts contain oils that cause dehydration, so drink the milk of the green coconuts. If you're in a pool and there's a metallic taste in your mouth, get out of the pool immediately. There's an electrical short somewhere in the water and you could die at any moment. Before the last life-saving fact, subscribe to become smarter. If your garage door needs maintenance, leave it to the pros. Garage door springs can instantly kill you if you remove them in the wrong